All right, guys, so here we have the Fantech Aria and the Fantech Aria 2. This is going to be a review, obviously, of the new Fantech Aria, and this thing is surprisingly really good and extremely affordable. It starts at just $48, and if you want the pro grade version, that goes up to 8K wireless hertz polling rate, $88. So here we have the box for the Aria 2, weighing in at 53 grams, up to 70 hours of battery life, tri-mode connectivity, and ultra grippy coating. And the coating on this mouse is quite nice. Comes with some extra goodies in the box, but you do also have Huanu Blue Shell pink dot switches. As we know nowadays, gaming mice are pretty easy and basic to understand. I mean, at this point, they're all like relatively good. It's just more so important to pick the right shape that you like. And this one for $48, I think that this will work well for small hands to even large hands due to the egg-shaped nature. But some changes from the Aria 1, we have a solid shell on the right side of the mouse that we're going to take a look at in a second. And then on the RL1, another thing that I did like was the fact that you could swap the shell and the obviously front two buttons as well. And then you did have a place to store the dongle on the mouse. These things are gone now on the Aria 2. And this is the updated look on the Aria 2. The new coating. Sorry, I just put some lotion on my hands so they don't look, you know, super dry, but I do enjoy this coating. Like, it's not slippery at all. And even if it does feel a little slippery to you, some extra grip tape in the box. So that's quite nice. And then you also do have a set of extra skates, the full skates, as well as pre-cut dot skates if you are a fan of dot skates. And that's probably really good to use on a glass pad too, just to minimize your surface area contact. USB-C charging up front, which I'm not mistaken was the same as the first one. That's about it. It's a newer version, updated sensor. It's the 3395 sensor, and this one, like I said, is not the pro version. This is just the standard 1000 hertz polling rate version that comes with this regular 2.4 gigahertz dongle. You can use the Bluetooth connection mode as well, but I just wouldn't recommend gaming with the Bluetooth mode. But I am glad that for the same, actually for a lower price, they retain that Bluetooth functionality. 53.6 grams for the new one, 63 grams. So they dropped the weight by 10 grams, but let's go ahead and pull out the dongle. 62 grams more. Okay, they dropped the weight by 9 grams. I mean, I think that's pretty significant. I do like the fact that the new one does have separated mouse buttons, and everything on the newer version just feels like it's a bit higher quality. So that's pretty much it. This mouse is on sale right now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a link in the description, and I will see you in the next video.